friends to the perfect learning. Today we are going to start chapter number 1 of science class 9 CBSE matter in our surroundings. Okay friends, basically we should know that what is matter. We already studied in 8th, 7th, 6th. Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Matter is anything which occupies space. For example, the anything you can take object, pen, bag, animal, human being, anything which occupies space and has a mass is called a matter. Okay friends, we will move to the next slide. States of matter. Basically there are three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. States are not like Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, not like that states. States of matter are different and states of India are different. States of matter are solid, liquid, gas. In solid, strong intermolecular force. You can see friends, here there is strong intermolecular force. So friends, there is strong intermolecular force and very less intermolecular space. You cannot find here space. There is very less space in these atoms, between these atoms. You can see friends, and have definite shape and volume. It has definite shape as well as definite volume. High density and melting point and boiling point. There is high melting point and high boiling point. Okay friends, there is high melting point and high boiling point. Solids cannot be compressed. Solids cannot be compressed friends, and solids cannot flow. For example, you take one stone and throw it on the lake or pond. What that stone will have? What will happen? The stone will sink in that lake or pond. You understood friends? Okay. Friends, we will move to the next point. Liquids. Weak intermolecular force. Here there is weak intermolecular force. You can see friends, weak, very weak intermolecular force. Okay friends, weak intermolecular force and large intermolecular space. Here large intermolecular space, here space, here space, here space. There is large intermolecular space and no definite shape but definite volume. For liquids there is no definite shape. For example, you pour one glass of water into a bowl, it will take the shape of a bowl. There is no definite shape for liquids, and but definite volume. It has a definite volume. Okay friends, and density is lower, low melting point and low boiling point. Density is lower here, whereas density is high in solid and there is low in liquid. And wait friends, 1 minute. There is low melting point and low boiling point. Okay friends, there is low melting point and low boiling point. Liquids can be compressed. In the can or in the bottle, the liquid can be compressed, whereas the solid cannot be compressed. Okay friends, and liquids can flow. Of course, the liquids we will see, and we already observed in the lakes, ponds, seas, beaches, the water is flowing. That's why they gave liquids can flow. Okay friends, the next point is gases. Very weak intermolecular force. See the first points of three states. There is a strong intermolecular force in solid, weak intermolecular force in liquid, and finally very weak intermolecular force in gases. There is no intermolecular force. You can observe here. Very weak. There is no intermolecular force only here. You can see, friends, very large intermolecular space. Of course, there is a large intermolecular space. You can see here space. How much intermolecular space is space between these two atoms? These two atoms. You can see, friends, here. And no definite shape and volume, whereas in liquid there is not a definite shape but a definite volume. In gas there is no definite shape and definite volume. And next point, density is very low. Here in solid high density, and coming to liquid lower density, and in gases very low density. See here, density is very low. Density is very low. And next point, gases are highly compressible. Gas can be flow. Of course, we are taking oxygen, intaking oxygen and leaving carbon dioxide. The floating oxygen we are taking inside. Of course, the gas will be flowing. Okay, friends, and gases are highly compressible. You can see in your homes CNG, LPG. The gas is compressed in that container or in that cylinder, and from that cylinder the gas is coming out. Okay, friends, understood? Gases are highly compressible. Gases are highly compressible. You can take screenshot of this states of matter. Okay, friends, we will move to the next slide. Friends, now the riddle time. We will do some funny activities. Riddle time, friends. Come. Give pressure to your mind. I can be hot. I can be cold. I can run and I can be still. I can be hard and I can be soft. What am I? Think, friends, think. Tick, tick, one. Tick, tick, two. Tick, tick, three. Tick, tick, four. Tick, tick, five. Dun, dun, dun. The answer is water. Water can be hot, water can be cold, water can run and still, and water can be hard and water can be soft, friends. Okay, we will move to the studies. Atomic view of three states of matter. We already studied now the three states. Here you can the view of atomic view of three states. You can observe how the solid atomic view is, how liquid atomic view is, and how gas atomic view is. Here there is no intermolecular space and the intermolecular force is high. Here there is a intermolecular space and less intermolecular space and less intermolecular force. You can observe here, friends. You can observe and take this screenshot. Otherwise, I gave this PDF link in the description. You can go and check. Okay, friends. We will move to the next slide. Ta-dan. This is for 9th 1.1 first lesson. This activity you can do in your home also. Take 100 milliliter beaker. The beaker is in the chemistry lab. You can take one glass, transparent glass, and fill half the beaker with the water and mark the level of water. Fill half that transparent glass, half water. Pour the water of the half glass and dissolve some salt or sugar. You take one spoon, mark that water level on the transparent glass and pour some add some salt or sugar with the help of glass rod. There is not availability glass rod of in our house. You take one spoon, and dissolve some sugar or salt and observe any change in the water level. Observe guys, there is any change of level of water. You already marked that water level and observe that. Okay friends, what do you think has happened to the salt in your mind? What the your mind is thinking, what happened to this salt? Okay, you you note that points, and where does it disappear? The mind is thinking that how and where the salt or sugar is disappeared, and does the level of water change, and observe this point also. You already marked that water level and observe that does the change of water level, does water level is changed or not. Note this point also and observe the water carefully. In order to answer these questions, we need to use the idea that matter is made up of particles. What was there is in the spoon, salt or sugar, has now spread throughout water. This is illustrated in figure 1.1. You can see here. Sorry. You can see here in the figure 1.1 how that glass rod added some salt and how it disappeared or how it dissolved. You can see here friends. And when we dissolve salt in water, the particles of salt get into the spaces between the particles of water. I said you, in liquid there is less intermolecular space. In that space the salt get inside that space. The salt, the small salt is there, no, tiny particles of salts that will go into that less intermolecular space friends. That's why we cannot observe that, we cannot see that the salt in that water, we cannot see that salt in that water because of this reason friends. You understand? Okay, the next part of this video I will be uploading in 4-5 days. Okay, thanks for watching friends. If you liked this video, like this video and subscribe this channel for upcoming videos. Bye friends. Dun, dun, dun.